Okay guys, we've got the Kraken crab cleaner right here. This is actually my first time using it. I haven't been much of a crabber, but as you can see, we have crab. I'm getting into crabbing. So we're just gonna place this guy right on top. Gonna give it a pop. Now he's down, he's done. We're gonna grab all the legs, including the front claw, and I'm gonna go down and back toward me. Got the gills on there. Just take the gills off. And we're gonna give it a flick. Same thing on the other side. Look how clean that is. Super clean. That crab is ready to go in the pot. Nothing left in there. Wash all this off and go to the next crab. The Kraken crab cleaner. Check it out. If you like the crab, this is going to make your life a whole lot easier.